kind of have an idea, and I want to take my own little approach to a flip and drag. I have these cute little medicine cups. They're 30 milliliters medicine cups. There's 3 of them. And the idea today is I have 3 groupings. I have a darker paint color grouping from the SOHO Olive Green, the Deco Art Dark Patina, Sherwin-Williams Dark Night, the SOHO Philip Green Blue, the LUKAS CRYL Prussian Blue, and that violet kind of color that I created. Then the second grouping, because I wanted to go dark to light, but the second grouping I'm going to be doing medium tones with the muted luster gray, Sherwin-Williams Hyper Blue, SOHO's Cobalt Blue Hue, Sherwin-Williams Kimono Violet, and Deco Art Festive Green. And then the lightest one down here, I'm going to be doing some COLORSHIFT Aqua, Premier Purple Red, SOHO's Cad Yellow Light, LUKAS CRYL's Fluorescent Blue, and the Golden Interference Violet. So the patinas I have so far, I have this dark patina from Deco Art. Then we're doing a metallic with the luster gray and the muted. And then the lightest one is going to have the most reflective, and that's going to be with the Interference Violet and the COLORSHIFT Aqua. So I wanted them all to have a purple tone to them, and a blue tone, and a green tone. And then with the lightest one, I'm going to be doing a little yellow and a little purple red. Just a smidge, because I want it to be just, I might even add those to all 3 of them. I think I might do that. I think I'm going to add a little bit of the SOHO Cad Yellow and the Premier Purple Red to all 3 of them, because I am taking a cue from Christina Welch, one of my favorite paintings from her that I have right up on my wall, and I'm just going to try to do my own version of it. But I thought it would be really cool to just have them with the gradient from dark to medium to light, and then we can come in and wisp out all the edges. I'm not going to talk all the way through this. You guys know me, I like to do your intro, throw you guys into the time lapse, and then give you guys an outro. The basic 3 for any cinematography. Keeps it simple, short, easy for editing, and entertaining for you guys. Right now, I gotta get the base coat down, which I just made a fresh batch. Hello. And then, then I also have a little bit of black that I'm going to squirt in at least 2 of them. Yes, okay. Let's get started. Okay, everyone. So yeah, I definitely had to play around with it a bit. And I'm probably going to come in and do one thing after it dries, but you guys are going to have to wait for that. As far as my very first flip and drag, I'm not disappointed. I don't hate it. But yes, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you want to see me try more weird things with flip and drags, especially you, Christina, since you're the queen of flip and drags. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!